And the cross product. Let me explain why the cross product is needed in life. If you have two vectors in space, let me draw the two vectors. Let's say there are two vectors in space, u and w. If you will find the cross product, I will show in a second how to find it. This is just some explanation. Why do we need the cross product? The cross product is needed to find the vector orthogonal to these given vectors. Let's call it vector A. Doesn't matter how you call it. So if you wish, if your life will be better, if you know how to find orthogonal vector to two given vectors, that's a cross product. And that question will be on the test 100%. Now, how to find it? Given two vectors, u is I plus 2j plus k, and v is 3I plus j plus 2k, where I, j, and k are just unit vectors. I in horizontal direction, well, j is also kind of horizontal, it's axis y, and k is the vertical. How to find the cross product? This is more of a synthetic method, doesn't really make much sense, but it is what it is. That's how you do it. Copy I, j, k. Copy the components of u. The components of u is 1, 2, and 1. Copy the components of v. 3, next is what? 1 and, okay. And the next procedure, how to find, will be very similar to finding determinant of the matrix. If you had some experience with matrices before your last year, to find cross product, and the procedure again is very similar to determinant, copy the first two columns. Be very careful, take very neat notes. Copy the first column, I, 1, 3. Copy the second column, j, 2, 1. And now you multiply and add the yellow. And if you have time, if you have different colors, that will be very helpful. So I'm multiplying and adding. 2 times 2 is 4i. Don't forget about the variable. 2 times 2 is 4i plus. So 3 times 1 times j. 3j plus 1k plus k. Subtract. Rim, what's your favorite color? Red. Subtract, thank you very much. Subtract the red. So I started with k. Subtract diagonally this. So subtract. Let me open the parentheses. I will be very careful not to lose the sign. 3 times 2 is 6k plus 1 times 1 times I. 1i. So something's wrong? I know it's wrong. It is. But it is what it is. I have to do it. Plus 2 times 1j. And this is just the beginning, unfortunately. Oh, no, it will get worse. This will get, whoa. That's beautiful lines. That's beautiful lines, yellow and red. Beautiful. So is it McDonald's? Is it McDonald's colors? There you go. Beautiful. Okay, whatever. It's fast food colors. Then let me open the parentheses. Guys, be very careful. My last year students made a mistake there. When you open the parentheses, minus will inverse all of the signs. So let me just, should I rewrite? No, I don't want to rewrite. So it will be 4i, maybe 4i minus I, right? Because of the minus in front of the parentheses will be 3i. Next, it will be 3j minus 2j, because of the minus in front, plus j. And the last one will be k minus 6k minus 5k. Okay, that's 2 points on the test. This will be open response question. if you can do this. I will repeat this one more time. We'll do this one more time. This is the answer. Yeah, we'll do the same thing one more. We'll just practice with the numbers. Yes.
So what's inside the left column? You go down like that, to the right, you just add it all together.
Yeah,
and outside, you go down to the left.
That's correct. Yep, yep. All right, one more practice question, which is very, very similar to this one. Find the cross product of U equals 3I minus 4J plus K. V is minus 3I plus 6J, or obviously K0 then. Please start working on this. Let me give you a couple of minutes to get started, and then in a couple of minutes I'll do it on the board. So let me give you 2 minutes. Real time, not my 2 minutes. My 2 minutes are not real. Don't get it. Sorry. I'm not starting yet. Actually, 2 minutes. I'll walk away from the board. Start with IJK. Copy the first, copy the second. I want to say something. Mm-hmm. There's no easier way, unfortunately. I got minus 3J. All right, we are halfway done. I have 2 more examples. How are we doing? Are we done with this? What is it? Yeah. Right, next example. The question will be stated the same way on the benchmark, absolutely the same way. The question will be, find the area of parallelogram. I don't know how to spell parallelogram, so I write the sign of parallelogram with given vertices. The vertices are the following. Well, that's 3D now. We have 3 coordinates. 5, 2, 0. B is 2, 6, 1. What? I don't know what you're saying. There you go. With. Beautiful. Beautiful. I like it. Let it be 2 with. With. Find the area of parallelogram with given vertices. Oh, whatever. A, D, C, B. The formula will be given to you to find the area of the parallelogram. So this formula, again, you don't have to memorize that. That's the magnitude of the cross product of 2 vectors of AB cross product AD. You should notice that these 2 vectors start at the same vertex A. For example, it will be AD. This vector start at the same vertex with AB. We have to find the 2 vectors. We have to find the cross product. We have to find the magnitude of it. This, again, this formula will be given to you. Don't have to memorize anything. Cross product is this X. Let me put it in a rectangle over here. From there, I think if you have the formula, the rest should be fine. But let's go. Let me go over it step by step. Let me find AB first. To find AB, to find vector AB, we know it's terminal minus initial. So you have to do points of B, coordinates of B, subtract coordinates of A. Go ahead, do it on your own. I'll just put on the board. We subtract B minus A. Do it on your own and please check with me. I make mistakes as usual, but I'll do my best not to make them today. Yes, I subtracted correctly. And I want AB, I want AD as well. Ooh, A and D now, 0. Minus 2, 6, thank you. Next step, cross product. We have to do IJK, copy AB, copy AD, and do this cross disgusting thing. Let's go. Once we're done with that, then we have to find the magnitude. Okay, I would suggest to go ahead and do it on your own and check with me. Please check my cross product. Thank you. All right. Hopefully this is the right cross product. I think it's, yeah, I have the same in the answer. What's up? Up? Once you're hopefully done with the cross product, the last step of the formula no, it will. That's right. Guys. I know you're already tired, but I have to. I know it's not a pleasure. Last step is magnitude. You see this last step? Magnitude. And magnitude, you should know how to do it. You'll just do 26 squared plus 18 squared plus 6 squared. Take a square root from that expression. The answer is 32.19. I'll just copy from what I did before. That will be the answer. This will be the area of parallelogram. It has to be some number. We're talking about area of some geometric shape. So if you got a vector at the end, you got something wrong. It has to be a number. I am 75% done. I have to do one more. Just one more? There's more, of course. As I promised. Go back up. You're welcome. People, pay attention, please. How amazing does this sound? Volume, so this word pronounced as parallelepiped. The volume of, I will show you what it is. But let me first of all pronounce this amazing words for you. Volume of parallelepiped. You don't pronounce it according to English rules. You say it parallelepiped. Using triple scalar products. You don't have to memorize all of these words, but this is how it will be stated on your test. Of course, that will absolutely improve your life 100%. You will learn this, tomorrow you will make $1 million. I know.
What's your first word?
People, 5 more minutes. I promise it will be over. Torture will be over in 5 minutes. Yeah, so you distracted me. I'll make it longer. I'll make you suffering longer. People. Guys, I'm waiting for your attention. I know you're tired. I know you don't want to listen. I don't want to teach you either, trust me. Volume of parallelepiped using triple scalar product. The formula will be given to you on the test. Here's the formula. It's V volume equal U dot product with, it's worth, of course it's worth, V X W. This is a cross product, and all of that should be positive. What does this mean? This is dot product, this is dot, and this is cross. That's the last thing I promise. This is the last thing which I'm telling you today. And now let's go over it. Sort of. Example. Yep. All together called triple scalar product. It's just one day. It's just one day. You'll be fine. No. No. Guys, it will be over in 5 minutes, but please just let me finish. So first thing I have to find the cross product between V and W. Formula will be given to you. The question will be stated exactly the same way, and I'm stating it now. So first step, find the cross product of V and W. Copy I, J, K. Copy V, copy W. Do the same thing as we did before. I'm not gonna do it actually. I'll just copy and write the answer. I will let you do it on your own. So if you will do V cross product with W, you would have to do I, J, K. Copy V. 0, 2 minus 2, 3, 1, 1, and I'm not going to actually do it. I will let you do it whenever you have a chance. We already did it 3 times today, so I'll just write the answer. 4i minus 6j minus 6k. So you did triple scalar product, got the answer. Next, you have to find dot product with u, with the first vector, with this answer. So now you take that and find the dot product with u. So let me just rewrite this. What do we have? We have u in component 4, 3, comma, minus 5, 1. And my new vector, the vector which is V cross product with W, in component form is 4 minus 6 minus 6. This will be over in a minute. Dot product is something which you guys know how to do. 3 times 4 plus minus 5 times minus 6. Plus 1 times minus 6. Done. Notes are officially over.